Hello, folks. Today is Sunday, the 5th of December, 2021. And I just wanted to recap what I did on Friday. I didn't get a chance to do it right after I traded, so after the day was over. So I just want to go through it real quick. If you follow the way I trade, you know I have two basic setups, and one is trading the first 5-minute candle to the long side. And that did not give the opportunity, so I was safe on that. It had the rest of the day was going down. And I like to trade a 1-2-3 reversal. And what that is, and I'll show you one right here that this little one worked, but here's a major one that didn't work. You have 1, 2, 3, and you buy above this high. So you've got lower lows and lower highs going down. You got a lower low and a lower high, but then you don't have a lower low going down, so you buy above that high. Well, you get triggered here for a 5-point loss, which is $100 on one contract. This is the NQE Mini, which is the NASDAQ. So I did not take this trade, and right now I want to show you why. So here's that same trade right in here. I know I've got all these indicators in here, but they're there for a reason. I know a lot of people say don't get your charts all cluttered up with indicators, and that's true to a point, but I use these three. I learned it from a German guy named Marcus Tutler or something like that, but he just does it for a daily thing, and I just incorporated it in a 5-minute chart, and it works pretty well. So here was that trade that if you would have bought it, it would have failed. But the reason I didn't buy it is this is the slow stochastic, and this is the 50% line. So here's the RSI for the 50% line on RSI, and this is the MACD down here. So when I get in a trade like that, I want this line to be crossing the red line, okay, which is 50%, meaning it's going into a bull market. Let's get ready to turn direction. Well, it didn't give me that indication. Now, sometimes it will jump right up and go, but it's just been my experience that it should be closer to the red line than it is right here. So I just backed off, which I'm glad I did. I would have gotten filled and then taken a loss. But as the day went on and it was getting close to closing, this is 10 minutes till 4 o'clock. It's 3:50 right here. But if you see here, this is getting ready to cross, but it did not cross yet and had another pullback. And right when it was crossing, I saw it looked like it was going to go, but I had 10 minutes left for the market to close, and I went ahead and put a buy order in above this high. And I'll get over here. It's easier to see it on this chart. So I just wanted to see the correlation between those charts and the pattern that I trade. So here you got the low, the 1, the 2, and the 3, and you buy above this high right here, which I did. I had my stop order in, and within a minute, I guess, or 2 minutes, I got filled. And I could have kept going, but actually somebody called me when the market was closing, and I just didn't want. I'm allowed to be in 10 minutes after the market closed, up to 10 minutes after. The old rule was you had to be out right at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I just try to stay at the time. I know things are settling up, and all these people have been short all day. They were getting out of their positions for the weekend. That's what I'm guessing. And so the big buy up took off real quick. So hold on just a second. All right, so here is a range chart that is it's got 20 ticks per candle. And here is where I had my order in. I put it in somewhere in here. That high was made at 15:35, meaning 3:35 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. And it bounced around trying to break that high to go farther up. And that's what all the stochastics, everything was showing it wanted to go up. So I put my order in above that high. I got triggered right here at 5 minutes till the close. And I made my profit in 19 seconds. And like I said, if I hadn't gotten that phone call in that time frame, I may have moved my take profit up a little bit, but I was glad with the 20 points that I usually take on my take profit, and I got $400 out of it. So that is the gist of the waiting till the end of the day. I usually don't. But if it was a down day all day, and sometimes it will stay down all day. But like going into a weekend, I'm thinking these guys probably wanted to get out of their positions. They were probably a lot of them strong short. So that's what happened, and I was lucky to take a profit, and I'll leave it at that. I appreciate you watching this far. I hope you got something out of the video, and if you did, I hope you give it a like. Press the like button for me, and I will see you next time. Good luck in your trades.